A professor of medicine, Dennis Ndububa, has appealed to medical practitioners to avoid total shutdown on hospitals and to sustain emergency services during industrial action, stressing that saving lives remains their core mandate. TVC News Rafiu Hamid reports.
Nigeria has witnessed no fewer than 8 industrial actions by medical practitioners in the last 5 years, a development that has taken a serious toll on the health sector. At a lecture held at the Obafemi Awolowo University Hospital Complex, Ile-Ife, stakeholders deliberated on ways to strengthen working relationships between the government and medical officers. Professor Dennis Ndububa described medical practice as a humanitarian profession with the primary obligation of saving lives. He urged practitioners to ensure proper diagnosis and effective treatment of patients.
We will fight for our rights and our privileges, but I feel that we should leave a window open for those who need emergency services, life and death cases, who, if you don't attend to them, you may lose them.
In a lecture titled The Current State of Gastrointestinal Endoscopy Practice in Nigeria, the Provost, College of Medicine, Ekiti State University, Professor Akande Ajayi, called for more awareness on the prevalence of ulcers, indigestion, and diarrhea, among other intestinal diseases. He also urged the government to address the rising cost of endoscopy procedures.
We need to invest more and more in the field of endoscopy so that people will have facilities and they can have it done when it's available. And they have to do something about the cost, the rising cost of the procedure. The government has to improvise because we have a lot of patients who cannot afford to do an endoscopy procedure. We equally encourage the NHIs to have a full coverage for this procedure.
He has been mentor to a lot of us. He has been a very internationally known researcher and academician, a father, a family person, community leader, and administrator.
The event was organized to commemorate the retirement of former World Health Organization lead consultant, Professor Dennis Ndububa. Rafiu Hamid, TVC News, Ile-Ife, Osun State.